What's up, everyone? In this section, we're going to enable local site access internet or internet breakout on vEdges. I'm going to do this on vEdge on site 1 using CLI, and as well on site 2 using vManage. So let's start with vEdge 11. What's that? Edge 11. So first thing, locally have configured OSPF on this on host 111. So first thing, we have to deploy a new VPN, that's going to be facing our LAN interface, and we have to add interface G00 and enable OSPF on that interface. So let's begin by creating VPN1 and interface G0 IP address 192.168.1 that's 11.24 no shut router. Oh, XPF. Now set area 0. Let's add interface G00 and redistribute OMP route as well. So MP route starts going to be facing service, the service side of VPN, and I think that's it. We have enabled, we have added the interface, enable OSPF, and now I have to add default route facing our VPN 0. That's where we have interface G02 towards internet transport. So, and that's it. So you should see a JCC with our host 111. So not yet. Let's see, 2.168.1.11. Okay, it's already. It should already detected. So it should be IP. So just look like that. And oh, and I have to redistribute a default route as well. So route OSPF default information originates. Okay, this will make our vEdge address as a default route, show IP route, and now on VPN 0 interface G2 we have to enable NAT. Okay, and I check my routing table, show for VPN 1 I should see a default route via NAT, and I have the default being redistributed, and this means that I should have internet access. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on site 2 using vManage. We have to add VPN two new interfaces, G3 and G4, and OSPF feature as well. So what's the problem? Okay. There is some problem with vManage. Okay, just taking time to load. Patience is not my thing. Okay, so let's start with configuration, templates. That's really testing my patience. Something is. Let's see 1 and 2. Let's see what it could be causing this. Okay, continuing. So first, let me grab site 2. Expand this a bit more. So site 2, I'm going to copy VPN 0 and create VPN 1. I'll need 2 new interfaces. Copy and name G3 and just with VPN 1. And this is going to copy it again. This is going to be G4. Let me just check if everything's all right. So site 2, VPN 1. Where is it? Site 2. Site 2. VPN site 2, VPN 1, VPN 1. Okay, now I need OSPF feature. That should be, yeah. So it's going to be VE site 2, VPN 1, OSPF. And router ID, I'm going to leave default. I'm going to redistribute OMP. Area is going to be area 0. And I'm going to add GE3 and GE4. Okay, and what else? I think that's it. And I'm just going to filter site 2 only, starting with VPN 1. Let's see what we have to change here. So we have default routes. So first I'm going to change here. It's going to be VPN 1. And I just name it, this is service VPN. Keep everything default. Now my default route, instead of pointing to your next hop, is going to point to VPN. I'll save it. services, and that's it. And filter again. Now G3 interface. Let's change the values. It's be G3. Here, description. V1, G3. And no tunnel interface. And no net. And I have to change this on G2. No tunnel interface, no net. And that's it. So this was G3. Now G4. Okay, so it will be G4. No shutdown, and G4. And channel interface off. No net. And that's it. Now, site, yeah, awesome. Site 2, check G2. Think now we have to enable net on G2 interface. I believe it is already configured. Just double check. Yes. Okay, so you can cancel this. And SPF. There's nothing to be changed here. I think we're good to go. So now we have to add those new features. Edit. We have to add those new features on site 2 template, and we need 2 new interfaces and OSPF feature. So one of the interface is going to be site 2 VPN1 G3 and site 2 VPN1 G4, and that should do it. So let's update and fill the required data. So I have these 20, 24, 28. Okay. No, I'm just getting slow. So my G4 interface will be 192.168 and 5. No, 2, 5, 30. And my G3 is going to be 192.168.130. And G3 in this case is going to be 192.168.213. No, that's 13. I'm doing no. These one should be 192.168.2.1.25. It should be 2.5.30. There should be 192.168.2.130. Yes, this is 21. Now for 22, that's going to be 129. Okay. And 2.168.2.930. And 2.168.2.13. And that should do it. Well, I already know that it's going to work, so let's not waste time. I'm going to pause this for a while. Okay, and it's finished. So let me jump over host 21. Similar routing table. 222, but I don't see a default route. Okay. I believe. Check this ppn1. Raw. Okay. I'm not injecting a default route, so we have to change this. This should be in feature. OSPF. Edit. And that should be dispute area 0 originate 1. Yep. And all we have to do is to update. Okay, and it's doing its thing. Check the route pn1. Okay, and I have my default pointing to NAT protocol, and I'm receiving those prefixes from site 1. So it means that we have site-to-site communication. That's awesome. And it's finished, and let's check. And I have a default route, so this means that voila, we have local internet access, and we have deployed successfully internet breakout. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.